All right, so let's dive into some pretty wild AI news coming out of China.
Okay.
Baidu just dropped 2 brand new AI models,
Oh, wow.
ERNIE 4.5 and ERNIE X1.
ERNIE.
Yeah, ERNIE.
Okay.
And they're offering them up free to users through their ERNIE bot platform.
Interesting.
Yeah, so, Baidu is a huge tech giant over in China, and they're kind of shaking things up here.
Yeah, I mean, I've been following them for a while, and they're definitely a big player in the AI space, but this is a pretty interesting development.
Right. Instead of keeping this cutting-edge tech exclusive, like some other companies might do, they're making it completely open and accessible.
Yeah, it's kind of the different strategy, huh?
Yeah, and get this,
Fair.
ERNIE 4.5.
Okay.
It's supposed to have similar capabilities to GPT 4.5.
Oh, that's the latest from OpenAI.
Yep, exactly.
Big shoes to fill.
Huge,
But it's free?
at a fraction of the cost.
Wow.
Like 1% of the cost.
1%.
Yeah, 1%.
That's wild. That's going to make some people nervous.
For sure. I mean, could this be a game changer for how AI develops?
Oh, absolutely. This kind of democratization could really accelerate things. It could lead to a whole bunch of new applications for AI, stuff we haven't even thought of yet.
Makes you wonder what's going to happen next.
Yeah, it's a really exciting time to be following all this.
So let's get into the nuts and bolts.
Okay, let's do it.
ERNIE 4.5, it's described as multimodal. What does that even mean?
So multimodal, it basically means it can understand and process a bunch of different kinds of information.
Okay.
Not just text, but images, audio, even video.
Oh, wow.
So it's not just crunching numbers. It's actually trying to understand the world like we do.
Trying to see the whole picture.
Exactly. And, one of the examples that really blew my mind was their claim that it can understand memes.
Memes.
And satirical cartoons.
Like internet memes.
Yeah, like internet memes.
No way.
Think about it. To understand a meme, you need all this background knowledge.
Yeah, all the context.
Yeah, cultural references, humor, irony.
Right.
It's pretty amazing that they're saying it can do that.
Yeah. That's a big step forward in AI comprehension for sure.
Absolutely.
Okay, so then we have ERNIE X1, which sounds like a whole other beast.
It's interesting. They're both called ERNIE.
Yeah, I know, right.
But X1 is all about deep thinking and, get this, using tools.
Tools? Like what?
So imagine you're, tackling a really complex math problem.
Okay.
ERNIE X1 could not only give you the answer, but it might pull up relevant diagrams from online textbooks.
Oh, wow.
Using its search functionality to kind of illustrate the concept.
So it's like it's doing its own research.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
about integrating all these different tools to come up with solutions.
Wow. So it's like having a super smart research assistant.
Yeah, that can access and use any digital tool you can imagine.
Yeah, it's pretty mind-blowing.
It is. And Baidu says ERNIE X1 can even analyze documents, understand and generate images, and interpret web pages,
All on its own.
all to solve complex problems and answer questions.
So what's Baidu's grand plan with all of this?
Well, it seems like they're going all in.
Okay.
They're integrating both ERNIE 4.5 and X1 across their whole ecosystem, their search engine, apps, you name it.
Wow.
They're betting big on the idea that this kind of advanced AI,
Yeah,
especially when it's accessible like this,
right.
that it's going to be a core part of our lives.
So it's not just a research project for them.
No, it seems like they're really trying to weave it into the fabric of how we interact with technology.
Yeah, that's a fascinating vision of the future. I mean, where do you see this going? What does it mean for us, everyday people?
Well, it's hard to say for sure,
Yeah,
but one thing is clear. AI is becoming increasingly powerful,
for sure.
and it's everywhere.
Yeah.
And Baidu's move to offer these models freely,
Yeah.
it opens up so many possibilities, I think.
Yeah, it's both exciting and kind of scary at the same time.
Definitely. It raises a lot of questions about the future of AI and how we're going to use it.
Yeah, how it's going to shape our world.
Exactly. And, who knows what the next breakthrough will be. It feels like we're just at the beginning of something huge.
Absolutely. Well, on that note, I think we'll wrap things up there.
Sounds good.
It's been a fascinating deep dive into Baidu's AI revolution.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And for our listeners, if you're curious to experience these models firsthand,
Yeah, definitely check them out.
head over to Baidu's ERNIE bot platform and see what all the fuss is about. This is just the tip of the iceberg, folks. There's a whole world of AI out there waiting to be explored.
Couldn't agree more.
Until next time, keep on learning, keep on diving deep,
Keep on diving.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
See you later.
Bye!